This is just about 12 minutes after 11 o'clock. I've just cast my vote. And indeed, voting started here at about 8:30, which is a major departure from the last experience. So it's quite early commencement of voting. And also to mention that the turnout is very massive. This is one of the one of the biggest polling units in Ipon Ward, Cross River State here. And I'm happy that it's going on peacefully at this point. We still have challenges with the military making it difficult for people to access here, but hopefully we'll be able to get a large turnout since they've started quite early. Given that this is my last election that I am pretending as governor of Cross River State, voting as governor, I believe that I have done very well, and our candidate, Brasio too, will win his elections. And with all due respect, I believe that the principle of equity and justice will prevail. And I'm happy with the turnout, happy with the commitment of my government to ensuring that we support the various agencies to deliver on their mandates.